Hello YouTube, this is gonna be a video update on my iHome Autovac Nova. Going to the cleaning history here. As you can see, over 133 jobs, almost 7,000 minutes, and over 7,000 square meters in area cleaned. This is the interactive map. As you can see, it goes everywhere. And it took about 78 minutes to do 98 square meters. Now I'm gonna tour the room and show you in details how this robot performs in a real world environment. The Autovac Nova iHome is a robot that doesn't need to have any prep in the room. I'm gonna give you a shot on how the room looks right now. So you have all of these chairs everywhere. Kind of a complex environment here. It came here, it cleaned everything, skipped all the walls. There is a mat over there and another legs. I was building the Christmas tree here. I didn't prep this room and it cleaned everything, going around everything. Didn't get stuck once. You have boxes everywhere. It came here in the bathroom. Even though you have some matches here, it didn't get stuck. Look at this. A lot of things on the ground. It didn't get stuck on anything as well. Was able to navigate through all of this without getting stuck. So that's what you really want in a robot, right? You don't want it to get stuck. Even came to this room here, which is the equipment room. You have bags, you have, wires, you have a bunch of stuff laying on the ground. It didn't get stuck. My main concern with robots is that sometimes it gets stuck, right? And that's the annoying part of a robot. If it's something to be automatic, you don't want to come down and fix anything. So I'm absolutely happy. It's been 1 year now, has completed over 100 jobs and never gets stuck. It cleans hard floor, it cleans carpet, it cleans everything. It navigates around everything, never gets stuck. I definitely recommend this robot. It was the best deal you could ever get. It cleans, it has the mopping function as well, which I don't use very much, but everything else is absolutely great about this robot. Very impressed. So now I'm logging into the app here. As you can see, it shows all the path it took to clean the rooms. Started with the green, orange, the other blue, and the light blue. That's the order that it cleans the room. Going back to the main page here. Every time I do that, it shows exactly the path. Again, going in the cleaning history, as I said before, it's cleaning a lot. And it's 133 jobs that I didn't have to touch it at all. This is great. I mean, I had so many other robots in the past, and I do still own a lot, like Roborock, iRobot. They all have its flaws. This was one of the cheapest robot with a base that I could buy, and I'm impressed how good this robot is. And that's why I actually end up purchasing the iHome Autovac Halo. I'll be posting a video review very soon in the channel as well. I have a picture of it next to it right here, and I'll be linking the video at the end of this video. So thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure to review this robots. It's a passion of mine, and I hope you guys liked and enjoy ask questions, keep your comments, like and subscribe, and dislike if you didn't like the content at all. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Appreciate it. Bye.